Yes, people, it's an alcohol stove made out of a 134A refrigeration can. Perfect for it. 4 holes drilled into it once it fits to where alcohol seeps through. It's got a deep chamber at the bottom, which is double walled. All I done was cut the bottom and cut the top in half, shoved it together, and cut off the excess. It has 16 holes around the center of it, which are 1/16 inch holes. You can go bigger or less jets, but it's been burning now for the last 35 minutes. Haven't done water test on it yet, but will soon. This is for you guys on YouTube on DIY crazy stuff. Thank you.